it's having a connection between friends and people around me in choir, and then affecting their lives by singing.
All of us in our choir, we each have our own individual light. But when we all come together and we sing, we do what we love to do, we can make a big spark that can do really anything.
We're all one big family. We all love each other.
They are like my best friends, and I can trust them, and they're so awesome.
At choir, everybody just accepts me exactly for who I am, and I can really be myself.
You learn how to work with other people, because it's really important that everyone learns how to do their part and everything too, because if someone's off, then the whole choir just sounds off.
I feel very happy and excited that we're learning something new every day.
When I come here, I'm normally really shy, really quiet, but normally after I leave, I'm really confident in who I am and what I'm about. I feel like I can do anything.
And it'll stay with me my entire life.